I feel sorry for my children.
It's okay, Mimi. Sleep. I can't. Sleep well, Mimi. I miss my mother. I have to be strong. I have to be strong. I have to do this for Mimi. Mother, where are you? Thank you so much.
Take this for your sister too.
When will Mother come back? Soon. Eat first. When will Mother come back?
She will come back soon.
For me?
Yes, my daughter.